Hi guys, very good morning. If you can hear me, can you please type yes so that I can start the presentation? Perfect. Thank you very much, Vijay. So guys, let's quickly start with our day one, day two revision, and then we will start with day three. All right, so we will do day one revision, day two revision, and today we will talk about how to write your perfect ad copy. And ad copy is actually based on a global standard model which is called AIDA model. So I will show you step by step how to write your perfect ad copy. Now this can be in two formats. One is your long ad copy and a short ad copy. So I will show you both examples, and then how you can consolidate your existing database, and how to create your lead generation form, how to create your payment landing page, and then we will go with a standard daily task and Q&A session. So starting with three stages of lead generation, guys. The first stage is at the active stage, where actually we are waiting for leads to come, and our business runs on hope, and customer is not sure whether you exist or not, and we have absolutely no business goal. So this is called karma marketing, which is also known as law of karma. And then we have stage number two, which is me active stage, where we are actually following up for leads, and we have a commitment on our goals, and we have created certain goals, and we have commitment to achieve that goal, and customer knows you exist but may or may not buy from you, and there is a realization on your conscious effort. So this is called the law of effort. And then the third one is your we active stage, where we are actually attracting the leads, and we have goals. The complete team has a single mission, that is to achieve our goal, and that's the positive environment what we have created. And customer knows you exist and wants to buy from you, and there is a realization on your subconscious effort. So this is called the law of gravity, which is also known as a magnetic stage, where you actually attract the leads for your business. Now, there are quickly two elements for lead generation. First one is clarity. Second one is consistency. In clarity, you need to have first clarity about your market, so where you want to promote. And second clarity is your model, like your business is profitable and scalable. It has to be profitable and scalable. Third is you got to have your mission statement, which will connect you with your customer emotionally. And fourth is the methods. What are the different methods you're going to use to market your product? So digital marketing is one of those methods, and lead generation is one of those format in digital marketing. And the fifth but not the least is your metrics. You need to have a proper ROI calculation, your key performance indicator, to ensure that you are spending wisely, and you are getting returns out of it. Now, second, who is your target customer? So your target customer are those who are in B2B category, that is business to business, B2C category, that is business to customer, and B2CH category, that is business to channel partner or dealer or a franchisee. And the age of your customer, the gender of your customer, the location of your customer, the income of your customer, and the occupation of your customer. So you got to know who is your target customer. Then your product fits in what category. So there are actually four different types of category. First is your high value products, or which is your low efforts and high return. So we actually aim to have more high value products so that we make more profit at the same time. Second is your primary product, which is high effort and high return. Third is your easy to buy product, which is low effort and low return. Fourth is your time waster product, which is high effort and low return. Now, your customer fits in what category? So we have three. We have amazing customers who are your low effort and high returns. So big corporate house, big government bodies who give you a bulk order. You know, those can be your amazing customer. Bread earning customers who are your high effort and high returns, and convenience customer who are low effort and low return. Now, to run any business, you've got to have a consistency when you're doing your marketing, when you're doing your branding, because it builds trust, it provides reassurance to your customer, and it also creates a huge brand recall. So there are two types of advertisement versus organic, where you post content for free. Second is paid, where you buy space in media. Then there are two identification of paid ad campaign. First is your push campaign. So all social media platform are push campaign, which is your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So these are all your social media platform, and whatever you promote over here, it goes with the push campaign strategy. And second one is the pull campaign. So all your search engine platform like your Google, your YouTube, and your Bing, Yahoo, these are all search engine platforms. So when you run an advertisement, you try to pull the customer from search engine side to your side. And this is an overview of Facebook page, guys. Ensure that you have your logo or your photo, your cover photo with your mission statement or your product or services or your offer. Third is your call to action. Fourth is regularly invite your friends to like your page, and have your shop page where you can promote your product and services. Today, I'm going to talk how to create your payment landing page and how you can configure the payment landing page with your Facebook page. I will show you that as well, and how you can create your shop page, and a short bio about your brand or product or services, and one welcome post on a daily basis which can be pinned. And then create your group or community where you can engage your friends and your customers or your prospects. And this is how you can have your community where you have cover photo, and then you can invite your people on a daily basis, and you can also create a shop page in your community and invite your friends, and automatically you can create this post. Now, this is our weekly calendar for Facebook page and group. I have created one weekly calendar for my business. I will show you a sample of that just for your information, so that you can make similarly for your business as well. So Monday can be your tips day, where you can talk about tips about your product or category. Tuesday can be about facts, so you talk about some amazing facts about your product or category. Wednesday is about myth, where you talk about your product or category. Thursday is about my video is on, Manoj. Thursday is about quote about your product or category. Friday is about questions. So you can ask your friends. You can ask your Facebook fans on others to ask you any question about your product or category. Saturday is about social proof about your product or category, and Sunday about offer about your product or category. So I've already made this demo. I will show it to you so you can make a similar one for your business. And join at least 50 plus groups in Facebook. And then you can post your content on a daily basis So you can join maybe every day, maybe you can have a target of joining at least 10 groups. And accordingly, when you post content on your Facebook, see that you share it in 10 to 15 groups on a daily basis. Don't flood all 15 the same day, because you may get temporary ban from Facebook. I actually recently faced that, so I'm just learning and I'm sharing with you. So first is post your content on your page. Second is share that content on groups you joined daily. Third is anyone who engages with your content on those groups, connect with them. Fourth is invite them to like your Facebook page and group, and then throw an offer, give something for free, and convert them into a lead. So this is a casual live case study where I am showing you, if I do one post in my page, it is only 30 reach, but if I share it with 15 to 17 groups, I got 592 reach. And we have already gone through Canva. I've given you enough dashboard training. So start using Canva for your brand creatives, and always follow the 80-20 image rules, where you have 80% image and 20% text. Now, these are the recommended sizes when you create your ad creative. First is you can make all your creatives in square, that is 1080 by 1080 pixel for your image and video. Then second is you can create your banner ad of 1600 by 900 pixel. And third is you can create your mobile ad, that is 900 by 1600 pixel. Now for your page, the first and foremost important thing what you need to make is your logo, your cover photo, and a welcome post. Now, how to create your perfect user persona. So user persona is nothing but your audience targeting, and audience is segmented into three formats. First is your demographic, so second is your interest, that is your psychographic, and the third one is the behavior. In demographic, you have age, gender, location, income, and education. So you can have this clarity, I'm sure you must be having with you. Now, interest segmentation, try to understand what kind of audience is liking your product. So what kind of entertainment they like, maybe cricket, maybe hockey, maybe football, or maybe some other game. And hobbies, what they want to do during their pastime. Maybe they love reading books, or maybe they go on hang out or cooking or whatever. So in business, what are they interested into? Maybe in share market or something. Technology, are they good equipped with all the gadgets, or they just use it normally? And what is their lifestyle, shopping and purchasing of apparels and other things? And in behavior, you need to understand what they use more majorly, are they available on desktop or on mobile? And purchase behavior, like do they shop online or offline? Travelers, are they international traveler, domestic traveler, or commuter? And festival, like do they celebrate festival like Ramzan or maybe Diwali or Dashera, and how good they celebrate? So this is an audience insight which I have shown you yesterday in detail how to use this. So please use this platform. This is an amazing free tool from Facebook which will give you a little clarity on how to target your audience for your geographical location. And then this is your competitors ad. So I showed you how to use this as well. So use this to ensure that you target your audience better than your competitors. Now, what is AIDA? That is our day 3 session, guys. So when we write an ad copy, the ad copy has been broken down into 4 different parts. First is you grab the attention of your customer. Second is you create an interest on once you grab the attention of your customer, you make them create interest in your product and services. Third is desire. You give them such an amazing offer, which they cannot resist, and they keep reading more. And the fourth one is they take a call to action, by seeing your offer, whatever you're offering, they take the call to action, by calling you or by submitting the lead or by visiting your page and making a payment. So this is how you create your AIDA model. First, you grab attention, then you feed them with your product, services, features. Then you create a desire by giving them some lucrative offer or some kind of incentive which they cannot say no. And the fourth one is you have your call to action where they fill up the form or they call you or they go to your website, either your landing page or the payment page. Now, this is what attention or awareness is. Identify the pain point of your customer. In my case, what I have mentioned is start generating leads for your business all by yourself. Because as an entrepreneur, people think it is difficult to set up your lead generation campaign because it is they have a lot of different technicalities. But what I wanted to say is that, start generating your own lead generation campaign with our 5 days training program. So that created an attention. Okay, fine, in 5 days I can learn how to set up my own lead generation ad campaign, and that's why we have more people over here now who have seen all my ads and they have come down. Now, why your product is the best solution for them? Now, when I say that you can learn everything by yourself and you can implement it, so I think that's one of the best solution what you have got. You don't need to worry about any third party agency. You don't need to ask anyone. There is no need to follow up. You create your own ad campaign, you get your own leads, and you're instantly following up and you're trying to close. So like the same in the first 2 or 3 lines, first create an attention, get leads for your own business or whatever your business is. Try to create that first 2 line which will grab the attention and which actually solves the pain point of your customer. Then create an interest. Give at least 3 to 5 reasons which talks about the problem solving for your users. Now I have given I have given this, and then I have spoken of my 5 days lead generation ad campaign training program, where I have mentioned day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. And then I have given some social proof, and then I have given some bonuses which is related to my product. So that is how I have created interest everywhere. I have feeded my customer with more and more details, which is adding value and which is making them take that next step to buy my product. So that is how you create your interest and write about your product features, achievements, and benefits. And then the third is the desire stage, where you offer them something for free or for a huge discount. So I said that my program is actually to be priced 999, but since this is a beta testing, I am giving it for 499. Plus, I am giving bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, and bonus 5. So this is one of the catch. This is one of the incentive which I have given to my users so that they take the action and they make the registration with us. So that is how you can also create your uh, desire, where you can give some real nice incentive, maybe a very heavy discounted price product, or maybe you can give them a free download of your product or services or brochure or catalog, or maybe you can give them a 7-day free trial period so that you bring the people in your funnel, that is your sales funnel. And then your call to action. So you ask them to share your number where they can call immediately to avail the offer, or ask them to sign up for the form or download the form. So in case if they download, also see that you actually grab the database, because that is the most important thing. To connect with your customer, you need first your customer database. Now, this is a sample ad campaign what we have done for one of our client, Tourism King, and this is something what we have done approximately all over the world except for the Asia continent. We have done in Europe, Australia, and then US, Canada, Brazil, Middle East, everywhere. So this is a very small short copy campaign where we first spoke, like, explore Thailand like never before. So that was our grab attention. And then we created an interest where we said, free spa, luxury resort, beaches, and more. And then we created a design that is 7 night stay only at $99 per adult. So that was the best offer what we could give. And then we had a direct call to action, that is sign up. So we actually got a lot of leads, and we got leads at a very good price also, maybe around $3 or $4 per lead. Now this is another ad campaign what we are using for our education academy. Now here you see how we have written the ad copy. I will read it for you. So dear student, ever woke up feeling confused about your life or career? So this is during the pandemic crisis, that is in the month of April, what we have created this ad. So that was a time where everyone were like worried about pandemic, and everyone were worried about the future, their career. So we actually wanted to hit that mindset. So dear student, ever woke up feeling confused about your life or career? And then, did you know there is one industry which is growing exponentially, and that is digital? So we actually first hit them and we pull their attention, and then we are slowly feeding them that you don't need to worry. There is an industry which is growing, and that is a digital industry. So this is how we try to create slowly the interest for our product. Now, Digital marketing is executed by industry, by all industries such as education, so digital marketing is executed by all industries such as education, construction, retail, automobile, healthcare, electronics, you name it, and it will be there in this list. So we are actually making them worry free because almost all industries are using digital marketing somewhere or the else to promote their brand or services. And the fact is, you can complete your digital marketing course in just 3 months and be job ready. So another good thing is that you will not take years to complete, it will only take 3 months for you to complete your digital marketing course. The best part is you do not need to learn any coding. Yes, that is absolutely true. You don't need to learn any coding. So we have so many tools available now that you can just go ahead and start your program immediately. So have you ever considered doing a digital marketing course? If not, then we have a good news for you. Join the Institute of Creativa, that is one of my franchise academy. Get your 3 months course done and get ready to work. 100% placement assistance is provided. Sign up now. So I'm creating my complete interest where I'm talking about the product features, highlights, and giving them enough reason to take up the course. Now I'm creating a desire. Here is an exclusive offer for action takers. Early bird offer, make a payment of 99 rupee and get 20% off on entire fees. So what I'm saying is that, I've integrated with the lead generation form my payment gateway landing page, where if you make a payment of 99 rupees, I actually lock you first. Second is you get a 20% off on the entire fee. And then Hari, offer valid only for first and action taker. So here I'm also creating an urgency. You know that only for first and action taker this offer is valid. So you got to be a little hurry up, and you need to ensure that you sign up and you make the payment of 99. Otherwise, you will lose that offer. And I have given my academy number, that is my personal name, that is Mr. Vishnu, at this number, and book a slot now. So this is how we have written the ad campaign. This is not too long, not too short. This is a good average size where people would like to read more and then they would like to sign up and make more detailed inquiry. So something like this you can also create for your brand. Now this is another ad campaign what we have created for a brand. So this is for Suzuki motorcycle. Now presenting the all new Suzuki Access 125 now with BS6 model, and comes with, then we have mentioned all the features of BS6 model Suzuki Access, and then we have also spoken about another product, that is Suzuki Bergman Street. So there are two scooters. We are doing an ad campaign that is a carousel ad, and we are highlighting both. And then we created a desire, hurry, take a free test ride. So that was the incentive to take a free test ride. Just call this number and book your free test ride. So this is how we created ad copy for this brand. Now this is another ad copy which is for our client who is in interior designing business. Plus they also have a lot of other products and services. So one of their product and services is placing invisible grills across their balconies. So this is how we have written the ad copy. Attention house owners. Is your balcony safe for your children to stand and play? Now that's the biggest pain point for individual flat owner who are taking their flats in high-rise apartments. The flats in high-rise apartment like 10 floor, 15 floor, 20 floor, and then they have a balcony. But that is one of the challenge what they face. When they have kids and if they are in the balcony, maybe they can slip down or they can fall down. So that is one of the biggest challenge what they face. So our pain point is straight. Is your balcony safe for your children to stand and play? Now we are slowly creating a solution for that pain point. Do you know there are invisible grills which can be fixed in your balcony with less time, and it is 100% safe for children? Now just imagine, everyone would like to have some kind of solution like this where they can place invisible grills so it is not visible first, and it can be placed in your balcony with very less time, and it is absolutely safe for your children to play. Yes, it is absolutely safe for your children to play and keep outside. Plus it is giving you more benefits. So benefit number one, anti-bird. Benefit number two, anti-rust. There is zero maintenance cost. Fire evacuation is also possible, 100% safe, and then you have absolutely unblocked view. So this is how we are adding more features to that product, which is our invisible grill. Now, our client is also in different businesses. So we wanted to promote that business also. So we have created Upsell Promo 1. That is, we are also experts in balconies and patio landscaping, making it the most relaxable place in the evening with a cup of tea and a fantastic view with your family. And this is what the patio landscaping is, just making it more beautiful greenery. Then we have, if you're looking for those perfect interiors at your home, which blends with your style and personality, we are also an interior designing business. Okay. Are you also a tech geek and wants everything automated in your home? No worries, we have covered that too. All your home switches and appliances can be turned on or off from your mobile itself. So we are also in home automation business, and we can also make a complete home automated with our technology, that is mobile based app technology. So swipe up for a demo for all of the above. And now there is something which is important, guys. When you are actually promoting something, there is something called authority check. Now I'll read this for you. Work with industry experts for 100% quality products and international certified material with on-time delivery of service guaranteed. Now these people, the material what they use for their invisible grill, the cable, it's an internationally certified cable, So that is something which will again grab attention of customer, because you are giving them a quality delivery. So in the same format, if you are also in business like Rakesh, I'm not sure if it's you, you're in Herbalife business. So that's an international certified product. They are present globally. Yesterday we did a competitor check. So write about that. I can give you an international certified quality product which will help you gain or lose your body weight. So that kind of thing will definitely grab their attention. Okay, fine. It's a certified product, internationally, globally recognized by millions of people. This is how you talk about the numbers, so that people build more trust on you and your product and services. And then you create a desire. Free site visit only for first 10 customer in the month of April 2020. So this again we did in the month of April, and we are creating an agency. If you sign up now, and if you're in the first 10 customer, we will do a free site visit for your home. And then we have left a call to action, that is a call, and then we have given the number. So this is another classic example of how to write your ad copy in the best possible way, where you can also slowly promote your other products and services as well. Now this is another ad copy for one of our client, that is a US based client, and they are actually a consulting firm, more like a CA, and they wanted to target all the NRIs and Asians in United States of America. Now this is how we have written the ad copy. Hey America, ever woke up feeling confused about your tax filings and returns? Then we have some good news for you. So that was again, I think this is again in the month of April, which was the time when people had to file their taxes. But due to this COVID and all, it got extended for June. So we wanted to again create a campaign and try to grab attention of people who have not submitted the form. Then we have some good news for you. After working with 10,000 plus NRI Americans in US for the past 15 years, I have found out that all they need is to learn every detail of the spend and saving to create a proper tax planning report and filing they want. Here, we are also creating a social proof that we have worked with 10,000 plus NRIs. So that's the number we are talking about, that we have already worked with 10,000 plus NRIs. Second thing is, from past 15 years, we are in this business. So you can actually trust us because we are already an expertise in this domain, and we are here from past 15 years. So just imagine the psychographic of the customer who is an American and who wants to file their taxes, and who is looking for a long association, and someone who have already got good experience. We are actually trying to create a problem solving pain points. And then today I invite you to my tax estimation training, where you will learn all the secrets of your tax planning and savings in 10 minutes, not 100 minutes. So we have actually completely shifted the paradigm from selling directly to invite them to a learning phase, where we teach you how to create your own tax planning saving strategy with our tax estimation training. and this is a 10 minutes teleconsultation call what we will be doing. So the tax estimation training is based on the success of my customer. Now customer number one, Miss Vinita, entrepreneur, who says now she's an entrepreneur, that is to be noted. So we are targeting in US all the entrepreneurs. So I have been with the DTP tax since 2008, a fact which speaks volume over the years. I have recommended my many colleagues to Delta Tax and have heard no complaints about the service provided. So since we are targeting all the entrepreneurs over there, we wrote one testimonial. This is an actual testimonial of one of our customer who is an entrepreneur. Now number two, Mr. Ahimuddin, software engineer, Wipro. Now you also know US is all with Indians who are majority in software engineer, and we wanted to target them also. So we took one testimonial of one of our customer who is a software engineer, and we said all the staff were well prepared and highly knowledgeable, a really excellent panel and a great conference. So this is how we have created one testimonial for them. Now we started creating an interest. Again, in this tax estimation training, you will discover number one, the planning that happens between your spending and savings every year. Second, the one tax preparation to lead a life of complete clarity. Number three, the three filing strategy that will help you to master your calculation and spend effortlessly. And most importantly, you will learn how to do this in 10 minutes and master your life once and forever. By the time we are done, you will have a step-by-step financial plan on how to get the most out of your life and business. Click on the ad to register yourself by simply uploading your details. Your entire tax calculation report is 100% secure in our email server, and our expert team will also give you additional support with our 24/7 customer service. Since it's US, people are very much stringent about submitting their database and getting it leaked because of like just for the security. So we are also mentioning that all your details are safe with us. Now we are creating a desire. Only 50 spots available on a first come first serve basis. Reserve your spot. If you're serious about changing your business and financials, then this is a training you should not miss. Grab your spot now. So that's how I'm creating an agency. Only 50 spots available. At the end of the free tax estimation report, you will be presented with an option to work with us as an official tax planner, but it is completely optional. So we are also saying that after the complete 10 minutes, whatever teleconsultation is done, we will put in front of you a proposal to hire us as an official tax planner, that is hire us as a CA, and we will take care of all your records, but that is optional. There is no condition. So we are also making them realize that it is only an optional. And then your free tax estimation coach, DTP, and then your mobile number and your website. Now guys, my strict, strong recommendation that don't put any link when you're creating your ad copy. Let that be a hashtag link, let that be a website, or let that be a link which is connecting to your Facebook page. Now the reason why I'm saying you this is because just imagine you have written such a wonderful draft, and if you put one link, and just imagine if the customer by mistake or by purposely, he clicks on that link to know more. All right. The moment you do this, you actually lost a lead, because he will either go to your website, or he will go to that hashtag, or he will go to that page and he will scroll, and then he may forget that he has to submit the lead generation form, and he will start with his casual browsing. And that's where you actually lose a lead. So try to avoid putting any of those hyperlinks which will direct them from one page to another page apart from our lead generation form. So I completely recommend to avoid websites. We actually kept this because they had a lot of information on the website which they wanted the people to see to understand better. But in general, I completely recommend please avoid the websites so that customer objective is clear. We want leads, and let them fill the lead form first. After that, you have phone number, you can call them and you can give all your links. There is no hurry. So this is one thing which you should do while you're creating your ad campaign. Now, this is another ad campaign which we have done for one of our clients from Hyderabad, and she's an insurance agent. I'll just quickly read through because there are a lot of new elements what we have mentioned in this ad campaign. The opening is like, hey Hyderabad, ever wished if you could know for sure investment plan which will make you save ₹1,000,000 or more. So that's how we are trying to pull the attention of your customer. ₹1,000,000 savings is nothing but earning. So we want to show them how you can save ₹1 million. Then you must check my unusual approach of investment and savings plan. All right. From 4th January 2010, I have consulted more than 5,000 plus individual and corporates to launch their ₹1 million savings plan in less than 4 hours without any risk, and if they have zero knowledge in financial saving. We were targeting two categories here. One, business owners or corporates like owner, MD, CEO, and the second is individual. That is the reason we have specifically mentioned the word corporate, because business owners, managing directors, they get it easily for their business. And then since 2010, we are in business. So we are telling them that from past 10 years, I'm doing this business. So I have got a lot of expertise, and 5,000 is the numbers which we have already served. So I've got a good social proof as well. All right. And then we are trying to simplify the solution that there is no, if you don't have a financial knowledge, still you can do this for your savings. And it is 99% strategizing and 1% applied knowledge system based on the success of my clients like three. First is Preeti Agarwal. She is an advocate who gets every year tax rebate benefit under Section 80C from the Income Tax Department towards investment made towards investment she made in her life insurance plan. Now she has three different products what she wants to sell. The first one is her life insurance plan, and we have created one testimonial for that product. Now number two, Gokul Asawa, an event manager, secured his 5-year-old daughter Trisha's education with a child protection plan. Now that's her second product what she wants to promote. That is child protection plan, and she has mentioned one of the testimonial of her client who has taken this policy. Now number three, Rupa, a director of a creative agency, is now not worried about her medical expenses since she is health insured today along with her complete family with her health insurance plan. Now that is the product number three which she wants to sell. So life insurance, child protection, and health insurance plan. So if you also have multiple products or if you have multiple categories, create your customer testimonial accordingly so that people will get to know, okay, fine, life insurance, child protection, health insurance, she is actually giving information about all the three. It is now responsible for more than 500 individual and corporate investment savings plan without using a dozen of accounting tools. You don't need to use any accounting tool. It is absolutely possible to take a savings plan. Now the authority check, that is the most important one. She is a life insurance advisor for Max Life Insurance Company. This system is verified and recognized by India's top regulation body, which is IRDA. I'm sure you know about IRDA. It is Insurance Regulation Department of India or something. But you can see a lot of ads of IRDA also coming. And all these big brands, or actually any insurance policy, has to be approved by IRDA, and that is what we are mentioning in system. That this system is verified and recognized by India's top regulation body, that is IRDA. So you have to be rest free, assured free that we are not giving you any wrong information, which is a certified information which we are giving you. Now creating more interest. Now you can learn this system for free and start saving your first ₹1 million now. And here is what you are going to learn. 5 step-by-step process on how to invest in the right SIP. That is your systematic investment plan. Second is 5 checkpoints on how to choose the right health insurance policy. 5 mistakes what an individual or corporate made while choosing an insurance plan. So you can also create your marketing content like this. 5 step-by-step process, how to be fit, and then 5 checkpoints maybe in your food, and then 5 mistakes what you're doing which you should not do for a fitness coach or maybe someone else for writing like one. Or you can also come up with some ideas based on this, and then you can try to consult with your customers. By the time you're done, you will have a step-by-step game plan on how to write and grow a ₹2 million investment plan. I will be revealing working case study of our client and students who have saved up to ₹1 million with my investment strategy. Already she gave 3 case studies. She has loads of more case studies which she can talk over the phone for as long as she can want. Then just making a telephonic consultation, you get the following bonuses. This is additional value what we are providing, additional kind of interest, desire. So this is law of attraction where we are giving first bonus is master investment formula. I used to guide to my clients such as individual and corporate in less than 30 minutes. Bonus number two, exclusive Telegram group to clarify any doubt you have on your investment plan. Now, this is a lead pulling campaign. You know, if you want to add someone in Telegram group, you definitely need the number of that customer, or you give them a link and they join your Telegram group. So it's either way you're getting the lead from them, and then you can slowly engage them with a lot of nice content in your Telegram group and slowly try to convert them into a sale. So that's how she is creating two bonuses. 24 hours, no question asked. Imran, this is all, creating a mindset. I showed you a short story, also a long story, but this is how you build trust with your customers. So someone who is leading complete story, do you think the chances are higher for them to submit the form or lower? So think in that strategy, and you're adding more value. So this is not a content which is not talking unrelevant about your product or services. You're trying to feed them with more value so that people read and then they take a decision and then they sign up. So you're actually trying to give them a lot of information so that they show interest in your product or category. If you feel long is very long, then you can make it short. I'll give you a classic example. For this ad campaign, we have spent somewhere around 3,000 rupees and we got around 33 leads. Now just imagine cost per lead is somewhere around 100 rupees, and she could also convert 2 or 3 leads into a sale. And that there is one corporate MD, one company which got enrolled. Now that is how you do it. All right. So people inquire and then you feed. This is a sales funnel. First, you give them an offer, bring them to your sales funnel where you take the lead, and then you do a calling, and then you slowly try to convert them. Absolutely your call if you want to go long or short. But these are sample templates which actually work for our clients, and we are sharing that with you so that you can try to create a replica for your business. All right. Then the free consultation is only for first 10 callers. After that, it will be on a chargeable basis, that is 100 rupees per caller for 10 minutes consultation. And then we are giving them reasons like why you must take. And then she also gave one reason that at the end of free consultation, you will be presented with an opportunity to hire me as a financial advisor, but it is completely optional. So we are actually feeding in their mind that after all this discussion on telephonic, where we guide you everything, you can hire me as your investment advisor, and she can sell her insurance plan to them. So that's how you do your ad copywriting. So it is purely based on your AIDA model, where you first create an intention, then you create an interest, then you create a desire, that is an incentive offer, and then you make them sign up for your ad campaign. So this is how you write your ad copy, guys. I will share all these templates with you. So have a look over it, and then you can make one for your business as accordingly. Now we will quickly go to the live page. I will show you how to create your best lead generation form. So first is there are few thumb rules. Limit your questions to only 5 and ask only important question which you need when someone is filling up the form, and have one custom question while you're setting up your form. Now there are two types of form question. One is a pre-filled question which is from Facebook. Second is a custom question. Now what is a pre-filled question? Any question which is like name, phone number, email ID, job title, company name, gender, relationship. So this information is already loaded in Facebook database. So the moment you ask this kind of information, and when a customer opens the lead form, this is already pre-filled by Facebook itself. But if there is wrong information, customer can anytime change that information from their side, but initially it will be pre-filled by Facebook. Now what is custom question? So you ask specific information advertiser wants to see from the customer by asking in the lead form. So in my case, I asked, can you please enter your alternate or WhatsApp number? So that's a specific question what I asked, to enter your alternate or your WhatsApp number. In the same way, you can also ask, when are you planning to buy? You can put a straight open-ended question. Or when do you want us to call you for a free home visit? Or when do you want us to call you for a teleconsultation? So it's an open-ended question. People will say, call me today, or maybe call me next week, or maybe call after 2 days. So that's how you put a question so that there is a proper answer coming from your customer. And based on that, you can see what is the interest level of the customer as well. Now, high intent is one review step is added. to confirm the user about form submission. So if you see, if you have filled any kind of form on Facebook, after filling up the detail, Facebook will ask you to swipe on right, so that you give your confirmation to them that you are submitting the form for getting more details. So that's a review step which is coming from Facebook, which you can, I would always recommend to have this in your database, in your lead form, so that you get more quality leads. This is to filter your leads. All right. So then Facebook will give you another option where you can take more content, which is only pre-fill questions to be asked. And trust me, guys, you will get a lot of bogus leads, and those leads will cost you like 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 5 rupees, but absolutely not worth, because when you start actually calling them, you will get a lot of answers saying that I don't know, I by mistake I have filled the form and all. So that is something we want to completely avoid. So we don't want any kind of bogus lead. Let our lead cost you a little high, but ensure that you get quality leads, so that you talk to them and you understand their requirement, and then you can provide them with a service or solution. All right. And I strictly recommend at least have one custom question to your form, to your lead generation form. All right. So when a customer fills a lead generation form, Facebook will now send them to a thank you page. So this thank you page, I actually call this as a magic page also, because you can do some wonders. If you remember my ad copy, I mentioned one place that make a payment of 99 rupees and get 20% off. You know, that is where I am trying to send the customer to my payment landing page and asking them to make a purchase over there. The same is in your case, Aditya and Shruti. Once you filled your form, you went to my landing page and then you immediately made the purchase directly. So I didn't really need to call you and tell you about my course, because you actually did the job for me easily. So that is where you can, make money also coming in your campaign through the landing page. And now that can be done in this way. So first is you direct your customer to your payment landing page, or you can also ask customer to call you, or you can have your download link, your brochure download link, and make customer watch your product, or loop them into your WhatsApp account or group, because you now get WhatsApp group links, so you can put that link and bring them to your lead funnel as well. So this is how you can do. Now, payment landing page, there are two platforms what I'm using currently. One is InstaMojo and the second one is Razorpay. Both are really very good, but I personally prefer to go with Razorpay. There is a reason behind that. I will tell you why. And these are the sample payment landing page of my product and services. So if you see everywhere, I am saying this, pay 99, reserve your seat now. Welcome, pay and reserve your spot. Hurry, get 20% off, pay 99 now. So VFX is the next thing, so pay 99 now. So this is how I am, once I am getting the lead, I'm also trying to push them to make the payment, because that will lock my customer. And I know that once he has made a payment, he is committed to learning and he will definitely buy my product. So that's how you can do one filter, by seeing their interest, how much they are interested, and you can make them do the payment. So guys, before we go with our daily tasks, let me quickly show you live. All right, so once we click on the create button, once we decide we want to do a lead generation campaign, so here you got to go to your new ad, and here you will have an option to create your lead form. So let's say I create my lead form. So this is my lead form. So first thing what you should do is, whenever you're creating your lead form, you should go to settings and make sure that it is open. You have the tab open click. The reason is because once you click on open, anyone can share this ad to their friends and family members, or anyone who is available in their profile in Facebook. So that is one thing which you can lift it, so that your ad will get more reach to relevant people. Now second is you give your name. Third, now I said you more volume or high intent. More volume, use a form that's quick to fill out and submit on a mobile device. So that's what Facebook wants. You know, Facebook wants you to have a quick form that can be done by having all pre-filled questions like name, phone number, email ID, and that's it. You're done. Just submit it, and then you get the lead. But trust me, guys, don't do that. Follow a review step process with a higher intent. add a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their information, which means I am confirming that I want to make an inquiry and I would like you to call me for more details. So that is which is important. And then you can have a different creative for your lead generation form. So recommended size is like 1200 by 628 pixels. So I have posted another creative over here, and then this is my headliner with all the this creative also talk about my free tools which I will train, and then with the above we will also teach you below in detail, and that is how I have created day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5 what I will be teaching in a list form. Or you can also have a simple paragraph, and then I have asked questions. So first is my custom question. Kindly enter your mobile or WhatsApp number. If you want, you can add some other question like you can ask multiple choice. So like if you are in 3 different businesses, like the case of Rekha, which insurance plan are you interested to know in detail? Child insurance plan, or family life insurance plan, or medical insurance plan. So customer will have an option. Let me show it to you. So I have mentioned which insurance plan are you interested in? Child protect, child protection plan, life insurance, child protection, life insurance, and health insurance. I will also add one more, that is all of the above. Great. So once I add this, here you have option, the customer will have an option to select the relevant product what they are interested in. Very powerful, guys. If you have multiple products, you can list those 3 to 4 products over here, or you can add as many as you want. I think you can maybe do it till 10. So, but try to reduce as much you can, so that customer doesn't take a lot of time to fill this. These are all quick forms. So you have option, and then they will click on one, and then they will go to the next one. And then I have asked to kindly enter your alternate mobile or WhatsApp number. And then if you want any conditional like so you can also have a drop down, but this is a little complicated, guys. I never used this. I actually tried, but I could not do it right. But you can have your appointment booking, so you can ask them to book an appointment. So you can have your calendar over here, and you can have a straight one-liner question where you can get answered like this. Kindly enter your alternate or mobile number. And then these are pre-filled questions which I'm talking about. Full name, phone number, job title, and company name. So you can add more in from category. So if I want email, I'll just click on email and they will add. But if you see, if I add one, okay. So let me delete this. Let me delete this. So if you see over here, I am asking actually 5 questions, 1 custom question and 4 pre-filled question. So full name, phone number, job title, and company name. If I try to add one more question, Facebook is saying adding too many questions may impact your form submission rate. So there is one kind of warning which Facebook will give, that don't ask too many questions because customer may not feel interested and they can go back. So that is the reason I say that you can ask 5 questions. So in my case, I have 5 questions: name, phone number, the job title, company name, and 1 alternate number. So this way you can also put it till 5, but ask which is relevant for your business, and then you can take it forward. And then your privacy link. So your privacy link can be your Facebook page link itself. So if you don't have a website also, don't worry. Simply put your website, your Facebook page link, and it will be good to go. And then the review step, because you have high intent, so Facebook will have this slide review step. So here, slide to submit, and then completion. This is our magic page. Now, good to see you taking action. Now, just a click to make your offline business a history and virtual business a victory. Hit the button below and reserve your speed, and then seat. And then I'm asking them to click on the link. So here you have 3 options. One is visit website. So you can take them to your website or your payment landing page or your WhatsApp link, and download. Download again, you have to put a link. That is, you give them a link to download your browser, or you have your call now where you can make customer. You can have your pin code, that is IN India, and then you can have your mobile number. So I put my number and then call Praveen. Okay, Agarwal now. So see, this is how it appears over here, and people can immediately call you and talk in detail about you. So guys, this is seriously very nice, very powerful, where you can actually I enjoy putting my website link where I take them to my payment landing page, and I see that few conversions happens over there itself. So that makes me my job easy as well. So this is how you set up your lead generation ad campaign form. Now, let me show you the two payment landing pages. Now, this is InstaMojo. Now, this is my dashboard, guys. So here, what you need to do is you need to add product to create your payment landing page. Now you have four different types of products which you can use. So one is your physical product, second is your digital product, third is your event ticket, and the fourth one is other. So I actually created my event ticket, and then I gave my dates of my event, that is Monday to Friday, and I have filled all this information which is required, the short description, my product, and then I have uploaded my images, and then I have used this. Now after making a payment, this page will ask what do you want us to do with your customer, where do you want us to take them back. So what I did is I created a WhatsApp group. I simply kept that WhatsApp group link, so the moment you will make a payment, you just need to click on that link, or it will take you directly to WhatsApp, and they will ask you to join the group. So this is how I made it completely auto setup format. So you have to do nothing. People will make payment and they will automatically come to your WhatsApp group directly. So this is how I have created my payment page in InstaMojo. Same thing is what I have done for Razorpay also. But there is one reason why I am suggesting Razorpay is here. If you go to dashboard, now there are few chances, guys, where people will come to your landing page and they will fill up all the details, and then they will go to the checkout page, but they will not make a purchase. Now, what this site do is they capture the database of all those people who come to your website or your landing page and to fill the form and who go to the checkout page, but they don't do purchase. They capture the detail, and Razorpay, it charges you to give the details. Like I will show you. I'll show you here. Now, if you see over here, if you click on transaction, I have status captured, failed, 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 failed. Now, that can be failed due to some reason. We really don't know. But the benefit is that if it is failed also, Razorpay will tell you that this is a customer who was trying to make payment, but it could not pass through. So what you can do is you can always call this customer and you can tell them, hey, I saw that you were trying to make a payment. I don't know what is the reason it got failed, but you can do a Google Pay to my personal account directly. So that is how you can actually connect with this customer, and you can convert that lost sale into a sale. Now this option is free for you in Razorpay, but this is not free in InstaMojo, and that is the reason I've changed my complete transaction to Razorpay, and I'm only showing InstaMojo for training purpose. So I feel that this is one of the best thing, because I have actually converted couple of sales by this strategy also, where people now this client we she made it was payment failed for her. We called her and we asked her to make payment to our GPay account, and she did it. So why to lose a single sale as well? So that's what we have done. So that is what I'm also recommending you to use this platform, where you can get this benefit. Now this is one of my payment page for the ad campaign which you have used. Now this is how we created the payment page. So I have my creative, and then I have all the details about my 25 modules which I will be covering in my ad campaign, and then my bonuses, and then my social proof, and my hashtag in case someone wants to use. But this, I think they don't have a link. And this is my batch details, and then my thank you. So once people again they go through, they read it, they come over here, they make payment, and once they make payment, here you see page setting. After action after successful payment. Thank you for signing up. Let's work together and scale business exponentially. Redirect to your website. That is my WhatsApp chat group. So they will get redirected to my chat group, and that is where I will have people joining my group, and then they can start the training progress. So this is how you create your payment page, guys. Very useful, very powerful. Now I want to show you quickly. Current account is not required in Razorpay. You can register yourself as an individual also. No, you don't need to. If you don't have a GST bill, that is okay. Now guys, the weekly calendar which I spoke about, now this is how I have created my weekly calendar, which I will start posting from today. Actually, I'll start doing it from Monday. So I have given Monday mindful tips. So this is a name what I've given for every Monday which I will be using. And then this is my tip, which is integrate all the marketing platform. And then I'm giving them the platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. All right. And then this is my Tuesday. So I've given the name as Tues myth. So one social media profile is enough. So this is a myth which I want to tell through my campaign. All right, and then I have my social plugin. So I'm giving my name so people can check me on my name, and they can also save and share this content. Now this is Wednesday. So wet, no, now day. So this is just I created some kind of excitement that well, now you know this. That's the whole idea. Welcome emails have an average open rate of 82%. So wait, no, now. So now you know. That's how I'm trying to connect. And then these are my Thursday. That is Thursday Thunder Facts. And then I have one of the fact is that chatbot will dominate. So I'm asking people configure your page with bot now. And then Friday, it's your day. Ask anything about digital marketing here. We will answer it for you. So that's how I'm trying to engage people. If you have any question related to digital marketing, you ask us and we will help you. And then this is Saturday, that is our social proof day. So 100 plus entrepreneurs became infopreneurs with our 5 days PK Pinch FP Lead Mastery WhatsApp class. So this is how we are talking about the numbers. Like we have completed training for 100 entrepreneurs. Now they are in a position that they can also teach others the lead generation ad campaign strategies. So they became infopreneurs. So that's how we are creating the content. And then Friday of Sunday, which is like Super Saver Sunday, join our 5 days training program. get your Facebook page optimized from Praveen K. Agarwal for free. So that's the offer what I'm giving them. So that's a Super Saver Sunday. So this is something which you can take as an ideation, and you can create your creatives, and you can start posting it on your social media page on a daily basis, guys. So I will share this in the group so that you can have a look over it. And I only recommend you to create your WhatsApp, create your creatives now so that you can start engaging your audience with relevant content. Now, guys, we are almost done with today's session with all the things which were to be discussed. Now, a short daily task for us, that is create your ad copy with AIDA model, and one long and one short. So long can be as long as 20 lines and short can be as minimum like 5 lines. And then develop your lead generation ad form. However, name, phone number, email ID, or name, your phone number is common. The three things what you need additional, you can put only those three questions, sorry. And then your payment landing page, create your payment landing page either on InstaMojo or on Razorpay. I will show you both the links right now. And what is your key takeaway from today's session? I have a group in LinkedIn as well. I will share you that group link. So you can add me on LinkedIn, and we can connect on LinkedIn, and you can post your key takeaways in LinkedIn. So this is what we have for the day 3, guys. Now, any questions? Any questions related to today's session, guys? Now, Manoj, the process is very instant. You need to configure, you need to submit your KYC. That is very important. So your KYC is like your Aadhaar card and your PAN. So once you submit this to along with your cancel check or your bank statement for your bank statement, bank account verification with your bank account detail, I am expecting that it should get open within 24 hours. You can start taking payment from your client. First thing is that. But you will not be able to withdraw unless you approve, you submit this KYC and other documents. Money taking to it can be instant, but that money will be in Razorpay account. Once you submit all these details and once this is sorted, they will start paying that amount in every 3 days. They will clear that amount in your account, so you can start transacting. Great, Aditya. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will do complete live session where I will show you step by step how to do your regeneration ad campaign setup. So tomorrow will be more live, and I will show you each and everything which is required as an individual to do it. If you don't want customer to pay, then you can have that call now. So you can put your call number, and then people can call you directly. You know, that is also very powerful. Once you submit the lead, there is always two problems once you get the lead. You know, you need to call them, all right? But some reason if you delay your calling, maybe you got the lead, but you didn't know, or maybe you were busy somewhere and you could not call them. The other way is like customer have your number and they will call you and they will ask you more detail instantly. So that is beauty, because customer is so serious interested that he wants to know more. So you can have that call now option. Great, Aditya. Please do it. If you need any help, any point of time, I'm always there. We can do a personal one-on-one session, and I can precisely help you out in Zoom call. So don't worry, I'm always there to help you out. Yes. So what I want is that you should implement. I want you to be an action taker. Anytime, Manoj, we can do it. We can do a call once we are done with Thursday, Friday session, because there are a lot of more things which I want to show you. Once you are clear with all those things, Saturday and Sunday, we can sit down and we can do personal one-on-one sessions, and I can help you setting up your ad campaign. So don't worry, I'm all here. But let us finish the session first. Most welcome, Manoj. We are actually handling a lot of clients. We work with a lot of brands. So maybe I can connect you with my team. They are actually always looking for some real good people for internship. So I think there is a good opportunity we can collab and we can work. Don't worry, we have that opportunity as well. So let's do something which is more value added and very, helpful. All right? So I believe there is no more questions for today's session. So let's wrap this session today, and I will share you the video recording in another 1 hour. And I will also share you all the important links which are required, so you can use that for your account creation. And see you tomorrow. And tomorrow we're gonna do everything live. So once we are done with day 1, 2, 3 revision, I will take you and I will show you crazy things on Facebook, which you will love it. Trust me. All right. See you guys. See you tomorrow. And till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay happy, healthy. Yeah. Bye. Take care, guys.